Hey guys, I just thought I'd jump on quick since it's Pancake Tuesday and show a little demonstration of how we make the pancakes here. I use my blender because it's so much easier just to get it out onto my pan. And I'm also using the Rock Crock small grill stone, and you can put it directly on your burner, so it's just like a griddle. And I find that a bit easier than trying to dig in the pan with the flipper. I always mess up flipping them. There's just one thing I forgot to grab. 1 second. My scoop for when I'm ready. Okay, so in the blender so far, I have 1 ripe banana. And I'm going to add to it 1 cup of almond milk. And I've got 2 cups of just large flake oats. So they're going in. Oops, dump it on the floor. And I thought I would also add, I always use the enrichables. As you can see, this pouch is almost empty. I'm going to just add a scoop of that as well. So it's going in for our extra protein where we can. I'm going to put the lid on and just whip it up really quick before I add the rest of my ingredients. Probably turn it on, that would help. Okay, so I've just got it on custom. I'm going to turn it on to level 3 for just a second and whip these up real quick, and then we'll add the rest. There we go, that's nice. Oh, my little scraper here, thank you. I will scrape that down in just a sec. I've added my egg and a ½ teaspoon of vanilla. It actually calls for a whole teaspoon, but the Pampered Chef vanilla from the holiday season is double strength. So I'm adding less in with my egg. So it's going in. And I have, it's 1½ teaspoons of baking powder. So that's going in. And that's it. We're going to put our lid back on. Give it another, oh, I better push it down a little at the sides there. I have a few straggler oats that didn't go all the way down. There we go. So we'll put our lid back on. Give it another just couple of minutes. There we go. We'll let that swirl together. There we go. That's it. So I'll take this off so it's easier for me to reach to scoop because I'm short. But I have already used my oil spritzer to give my pan a little spritz just to help them not stick. We'll give it an open here. So I use my scoop so that they're all about the same size. I do often have to make a couple of batches depending on how hungry my family is. But I can scoop this right on. You can see how smooth it is. And you just give it a little click there. And don't forget, this blender cleans itself. So I love using it because at the end I just have to put it on the clean setting and it takes care of itself. So it's easier to use. So there we go. We'll let them cook for a minute on this side before we give them a flip. This has become my new favorite thing, I have to say. I like the flexibility of the fish spatula. I do have other ones, but I like how it gets under everything and it's so easy. Especially for things like this when I'm not great at flipping them. I'm pretty bad at it actually. I break them. So I like this that will help me get under it and have the flexibility to move it. So we'll give them a minute here before we flip. And then you can see They're starting to bubble at the edges. I like the stone grill pan because you can use it on your barbecue. You can use it directly here. It is oven safe. You can even use it on the campfire if you really wanted to take it camping with you. Great for nachos and things like that. Lots of different ways to use it. We're getting there. They're starting to get a little bit brown on the bottom. My burner isn't exactly flat, so there are a few hot spots in this one. My oven is old, I think. There we go. Let's take a look. Oh, see? Told you. Bad at it. There we go. There's one. There's the hot spot I was talking about. It's barely cooked on that side, but that's my oven for you. And let's see if we can do this last one. We'll give it another minute to get a couple more bubbles and see how that goes. I do often put them in the oven after when I'm making multiple batches. I'll have the oven on, put them in on a pan just to keep them warm. Oh, see, I'm terrible with this. There we go. Ready? Here we go. There we go. Yay. Anyways, that's it for now. I will finish up my pancakes and we will take some pictures when they're all finished right before we eat with our syrup and everything. And I hope you guys have a great Pancake Tuesday.